Hello all. Today I am here to tell you the importance of prioritization in time management. What is prioritization? The process of determining priorities. That is what is prioritization. So, according to a famous writer Stephen R. Covey, he said, always don't prioritize your schedules. Always schedule your priorities. So this way we can maintain our time in a proper and better way, successful way. This helps to bring in good output in our from the task whatever we carry away. And this according to, so this is explained, this prioritization is explained using 5 C's. First one is clarity of goals. Second is like consistent increase in work efficiency and work productivity. Completion of task without missing on anything. Concentrate on urgent but not important but not yet urgent work. Fifth one is easily you can take in complex decision making will be made easier. So prioritization will help us to follow all these things. Prioritization means for all these things it will help. So that is why prioritization is important in managing time. So according to Mr. David White Eisenhower, he based on he was able to successfully manage his work based on his experience, and he created a matrix with the principles based on which will help all of us in planning, prioritizing, scheduling and delegating. So he has made a matrix. So this matrix, which is made by Mr. Eisenhower, consists of 4 quadrants. So first quadrant is urgent and important, which means do it now. So it cannot do it now and it requires immediate action. That is, for example, I can tell you like facing the crisis situation, like family responsibilities, these can come under this. Second quadrant is important but not urgent. That means do it lately but do it timely. You can it also requires an important action, but you can like delay it little bit. But that you need to have a kind of planning on that. Like you will be doing it after like this many hours or this time will be given to that. So it is important, but it is not that urgent. Immediate action is not required. Do it lately. So this will help you to have a balanced life, have a clear vision on what you are doing, and also like it will help you in making the crisis situation. You can get the least crisis situation by maintaining this quadrant in your task. That means, for example, self-care and self-development. And quadrant 3, not important but urgent. Like that you can like these tasks like it is important but it can be delayed, so you can delegate it to others. It might not be important to you but it might be important for others, so you can delegate that work to your team members. So about this delegation of work I have explained in my previous video. So delegate it to others, your team members, so that for say example for replying to emails, replying to text messages, you will be continuously getting official text messages, official emails, so that people who are mailing to you or who are messaging you might require an immediate reply. So you can ask your team member to do it, so that it will be of help for you, but the task will get completed on time. Then again the next quadrant is not important and not urgent. So this is the thing wherein it can be deleted from your task list and even eliminated from your task list, because this is unimportant, unessential and time wasting. So like when you are making this quadrant, you will get to know what are the things that is not at all urgent in your daily task, and what is not at all urgent. That means for example like simply like scrolling down on your social media and checking on unwanted messages, or doing online shopping and wasting your time watching TV. So these things, when you concentrate less on this part now, you can concentrate more on your quadrant 2, which will help, as I told you, which will help you to have a balanced life and clear vision about what you want to do, like self-care and self-development. You can put in more of time on that. So in this prioritization thing, what you can do is, what has to be your massive action plan by after listening to this, actually make a to-do list to know about which are the tasks important to you. Classify your task based on the quadrants which is mentioned here, those 4 quadrants: not important and urgent, not important but not urgent, not important but urgent, and not urgent not important. So these things you need to classify it so that it will be easy for you to like understand what is the task that you need to like pay attention to at first. Second has to be like sort work, this as I told you, sort work into these quadrants and give a schedule for your work as according to that. So as I told you in the beginning, always schedule your priorities. Don't prioritize what is on your schedule. So when you make this 4 quadrants, you will get to know which are the tasks which requires attention, which is more important. So based on that, you need to classify on that. Thank you.